What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and this is part 2, rebuilding this beauty. 2007 Ferrari F430, super rare. It's a gated manual transmission, so very special car. In this video we're gonna start taking the car apart, from bumper, pretty much headlight, and looking at the damage. And we also ordered some new parts, so they should be arriving any day now. And if you guys haven't seen part 1, it's in description, so go check it out. Live auction and delivery of the car, so you guys could stay up to date. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because you don't want to miss any of new videos. We got new videos coming out every week, new video. So enough of this talk, and let's get back to work. So right now we'll start with the front end, taking the bumper off. I just opened the trunk and noticed, yeah, this is where the damage is. Kind of, I don't know what it hit, either a tree or a pole, but kind of lower section and the upper fender got damaged. So we'll remove all this cover stuff, and we'll see what's going on, and we'll remove the bumper. And it looks like the headlight might be okay. I don't see any damages, and coolant system is perfect. So because I drove this car, nothing's overheating, so that's a very big deal. So let's start removing the bumper and we'll go from there. So I took everything apart: bumper, headlight, fender liners, all the trunk compartment. So let's take a look what's going on. So yeah, we got front body panel damage, fender, no frame damage, just this little corner got bent. And radiators are good, headlight is good. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna cut this fender out completely, remove this. Once I remove the fender, I'll free everything. We'll put the car on the frame machine and pull the front body panel, fix everything, and then final, we'll weld the fender back. Pretty much ready for body work. Yeah, little process like that we gotta go through. So we're doing a little experiment. We have a airbag, dashboard airbag from a Honda Civic. It's been laying around for too long, so we're gonna put her into use. It's a green one. It's a nice clean airbag, and we're gonna blow it up so you guys could see how hard this thing blows up into your face. So we'll connect them together, and then we'll get a jumper cables and the long jumper cables and couple wires, and we're gonna hook it up to the battery, and technically it should blow up. So let's find out.
Inside the shop?
No,
Huh?
no, I need to go outside. You crazy? Oh yeah. I think it's gonna blow up like a bomb, pretty much.
Sprinkles on it.
Have you seen how airbags blow up in your face?
Oh, I see people fly.
Yeah. Getting all set up, and we'll find out.
Надо его перевернуть, чтобы посмотреть, как она это.
Fire in the hole! So that's what happens when the airbag blows up in your face.
Warn me when you're gonna do that!
Did you get scared?
No! But we want to watch!
Oh, sorry.
We want to put it under his chair!
So imagine when you get in the collision, that's what happened. Blows up in your face like that.
No more texting and driving.
Yeah, there you guys go. That's why airbags are very dangerous. When they blow up, they blow up. So we just got the new fender, not new, used fender, but new, from Russ from Fair Parts USA. Thank you for the hookup. So yeah, we'll cut the old one and put a new one in. Here's the new fender, and it got damaged right here, so perfect. And we're gonna have to cut it here, so we got a good fender. So we'll cut this one out and start installing this one. In order to get to the fender bolts, I gotta remove this rocker molding. There's a screw holding right here. And in order to remove the rocker, I gotta remove the fender liner, and then there's 3 screws holding the rocker up here, and then a bunch of screws at the bottom. So we'll start removing the rocker and go from there. So just removed the rocker molding. Man, it was a pain in the butt, but we got it off. And now here comes the fun part. To remove this fender. This fender is on bolts and on glue, so really hard to remove this fender because it's there like glued on. And they use that super strong glue, like for the windshields and stuff like that. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. So let's start cutting the fender out. That is it, guys. Just removed the fender. It was pretty tough, not gonna lie, because they got so much glue everywhere. So now I'm gonna clean up the glue and we could start putting the car on the frame machine and start pulling the front end. So yeah, see it? Here's the damage up front. Little frame damage, I would say. Just like barely. And then the most impact it took is the floor and the front body panel. So right now I'm gonna clean all this glue and we can start putting the car on the frame machine and pulling the front. Just removed the fender. Man, it was quite a bit of work. They put so much glue, so I had to heat everything up and kind of cut through the glue, and the fender is finally off. And with this, with the 430, it's just one big piece. It's not like a 458 or 488 fenders, everything's separate. So this is an older version, so it's one piece, everything's removed. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 3. In part 3, we're gonna put the car on the frame machine, secure it and pull the front body panel, and also gonna test fit the fender and the bumper. If everything lines up, gaps are perfect, we'll start doing the body work. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. You don't want to miss any new videos. And once again, thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания.